Which player is the all-time top scorer in FIFA World Cup history? The correct answer is C. Miroslav Klose, with 16 World Cup goals.
As you already know, the FIFA World Cup has officially started, and this type of content is going extremely viral right now. Creators are getting millions of views overnight, landing sponsorships, and taking full advantage of the World Cup trend. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create this kind of content, the tools you'll need, and how you can upload these videos to your YouTube channel and start monetizing the opportunity. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt provided. You'll find this prompt in the description below. Next, upload an image from your gallery. If you don't have one, you can easily download a similar image from Google or anywhere online. Simply search for FIFA character, and you'll find plenty of suitable images. Once you upload the image, ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt for you. Carefully review the prompt and then copy it. One important thing to notice is that the prompt will include multiple football teams. You can choose any team you want, such as Argentina, Brazil, Portugal, or others. Simply select the team-related prompt that you prefer and copy it. Also, don't forget to copy the negative prompt provided at the bottom. Now your complete prompt is ready. The next step is to give this prompt back to ChatGPT, and it will generate a brand new character that you can use in your quiz videos. ChatGPT has now generated our final character image. Simply download the image and save it to your gallery. Now let's move on to the next step, which is creating the animation and quiz video. I've already prepared a document for this process. Inside the document, I've added several FIFA-related quiz questions, around 5 in total. You can use any of these quizzes, or you can ask ChatGPT to generate more similar questions for you. Once you've selected a quiz, scroll down to the video prompt section. I've already provided a detailed video prompt there. Simply insert the quiz question you want to use into the prompt and customize any additional details, such as video style, quality, effects, or other elements you want included in the final video. After that, copy the complete video prompt and head over to Google Flow, because that's where we'll generate the video. Once you're inside Google Flow, upload the character image that we downloaded earlier. After the image has been uploaded successfully, paste your video prompt into the prompt box. Next, click on the Settings option and make the following adjustments. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, vertical format. Select VO Flash as the generation model. After applying these settings, submit the prompt and start the generation process. Google Flow will take a few moments to process everything.
12 seconds later.
Once it's finished, your final animated quiz video will be ready. And that's the final result. Right now, this niche is trending a lot, so if you start making content in this style, there are high chances that your channel can go viral and grow very fast. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you never miss an update.